Yeah.
I have SWAT.
I have a McLean.
And I have Blade.
And we got these for Christmas. And we've already opened them and played with them.
Yeah.
And they work really well.
SWAT.
So I got gray and black.
I still get
And I got
This is what
red
it
and
looks
black.
like.
Yeah.
And I got a blue and black one. It has a police and stuff on it.
They're so nice. And what it comes with one mini drone, 2 removable shields, 1 micro USB charging cable, stickers, 1 battery, 1 quick start guide, and it takes about 25 minutes to charge. They work actually really, really well.
They're easy,
And
really easy to
what
control.
you're gonna need is your phone or any electronic that you have, and you have to download
iPods.
an app. It's called Free Mini Flight. And what you have to do is you have to turn this on first off.
You have to put your Bluetooth on first.
Oh yeah, you have to
Yeah.
put your Bluetooth on.
My Bluetooth is already on, I think.
Where's my Bluetooth?
So
There it is.
it turns red when you first turn it on, but then eventually it turns green.
Yeah.
I think it turned green. I don't know. Oh no, it's
Yeah,
still red.
it's red.
So I'm gonna go
nice
on
red.
to my Bluetooth, and oh, it's orange now. I'm not sure when it will go on.
So we're gonna wait. We have to connect.
Yeah, you have to connect on your Bluetooth.
I did.
Okay, it's green. Now I gotta wait. Wait.
Okay, hey.
Stop it.
Jesus.
Can I lower you, please? Get over here.
How do you?
What? I don't know. It's not connecting well.
Okay. I don't know how to take hers off of
It's not
mine.
connecting. I don't. What? It just did a backflip. Stop. I don't. Oh, you go down. Go down.
Because you clicked.
Control.
Thanks.
Now I'm gonna hover mine. So
yeah,
take
I'm just
off.
gonna hover. Okay. Hey, what's up? Okay. Hey. No.
I'll get this.
I gotta grab mine.
This up in a minute.
There's an autopilot, but I don't know how that works. So.
I can't flip.
Ready?
Backflip.
Backflip.
Maggie, stop flipping.
Backflip.
Oh.
No, don't touch it.
It did a backflip apparently. All right, land.
There's not enough room. Okay, land all you guys. Land. Oh my god.
That was.
You almost took my head
Dad's
off.
head. I was hitting the camera.
Took my head off.
Okay.
Okay. This is ASAP. Ah!
Boy.
Don't take this. Stop running.
Oh my gosh. You karate chopped mine off. I can put that back on. Good.
You especially.
I'm gonna make it take off.
I fixed it.
All right. This is turning. This is back.
I lost control.
Oh, why is it not controlling?
Thank you.
How could this happen? Oh my god.
Her wing. Whose wing flew off? Mine.
Connected.
Her wing legit
Siamese
flew
twins.
all the way across the room.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn the light up. I'll turn the light up so you can see the light below.
Dude, it's so much easier not sitting down. Okay.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
How do I do like this one? Stop! Get away from me!
What's up, man? I'm just gonna do a backflip right here, you know? Okay, do another backflip.
Well, this is sort of like a review thing again, but
How could this
It's happened to me.
Made my mistakes. There's nowhere to break.
Ow!
That's too much. Chop your finger off. Okay, your thing is broke.
I know.
Alright, mine's on the table now.
No!
Maggie, get the journalist back! Nice going for hitting the light. And if
going
like
back
these
up.
come off, you could pop them back on.
How is yours going back on?
And I don't know if you can see that, but there's a
My
percentage
piece, like, actually
thing.
broke
Which is
off.
sort of bad because
Well, no, you get to see your
You get
the
to,
amount of
like,
charge
fry
you-
it.
yeah,
for
but
2
it doesn't charge. It charges, but you could only use it for like only a certain amount of time, like 15 minutes.
Hi.
Ethan!
Hold on, there's like
Even controlling it.
there's like this. Ready? Get ready for this. Ready? Oh, that didn't work. Hold on.
Yeah, you go like this.
Okay, throw it.
Shut it down. Shut it down. Oh.
It was legit just stuck to the thing. It was like this got stuck.
Oh, man.
No, okay, so imagine. Imagine this is a ceiling. It was legit like this at the ceiling. And don't turn it on the end. Peasant.
Alright, I'm gonna throw it and see what happens.
It's on. Hooking this up into me.
Put it down. Put it down. Land it. Ow, my thumb really hurts from that. So.
I didn't tell you to go! What are you
What's
doing?
going on? Oh my god! What's happening? Nobody was controlling them.
Let's see timer.
Ah,
Land it.
somebody get control.
Okay, I'm turning mine off. I'm turning my thing off.
Okay, very good.
Turn.
Okay.
Turn
Yeah,
your
just
iPad
throw
off.
it.
Yo, boy, that hurt. Yo, boy, it's hurt.
Yo, the throw.
Anyways, these demon things. Okay, so when it's beeping like this, it means like it's gonna die. But I give this a 10 out of 10. I give this a 10 out of 10.
So do I.
The only thing that's bad about it is that after like 15 minutes of using it, you have to go recharge it. So I'd bring like an extra battery or something.
Yeah.
But I like how it flies and stuff. I sort
It's
of
actually
damage
fun
mine.
and actually funny to play with.
Yeah.
and,
Yeah, just like beware of like young children and your hair.
like you
I mean,
have to
your
like
hair.
move
Yeah.
from someone.
Mine went across
And
your
you
hair
have to have-
and hit
Yeah,
you
I
guys
know.
in the
You have
head.
to have like an open spot with no one in
Yeah,
it. so.
more open like a
Guys,
more
you have
open
a
area
lot right
than what
here.
we have. Okay, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
And if you'd like to see more of us and more of our weird videos, please subscribe and leave a like. We will have all our social medias down below. We love you guys so much. Goodbye. Bye. Bingo.